Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new Louis on Vlogs video. Today we will be visiting Orewa, which we are actually in at the moment, and today we're going to go to McDonald's to try the color changing cup. Now I'm going to get lunch because I haven't had any. I've been riding for about an hour or so, and I'm going to get McDonald's as well. So that also means I'm going to vlog and review the color changing cup in the meantime. So as of now, we're going to go to McDonald's and we are going to get the color changing cup. Let's go.
A few minutes later.
Thank you. Before we get copyrighted, that'll be awesome. We need to get I'm thinking what I should get, but I feel like I get McChicken almost every day, so I feel like that's actually the only thing they have. Oh wait, no, I've been looking in the wrong place. I could get a McCrispy. What's that one? Actually, let's get a double McChicken. Let's make it a combo large. Okay, I need to see if they have the cup, but I don't think they have. Wait, where's the cup at? I need to find the cup. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, I found out I had to go to the add-on after I picked my drink, so I gotta do the color changing code. Yay! Price of today. Take my money. Take my money. Yay! We got the goods inside. I thought they were gonna send me the collector's cup with the liquid inside, but instead they just gave me the cup as well. I'm carrying two things at once. I'll see you when I get to a nice little spot. It is insanely windy, and I have the stuff in there. I'm gonna unbox in a minute. Oh my god. Okay, so first things first, the cup is insanely warm, and I do not know why. However, I can kind of see the color is changing, so it does work. Very good. Very warm inside. Yeah, very, very warm. And when I touched it, it was so warm. I'm not sure if it was me or myself, but it is starting to change green, as you can see. As you can see in the thingy. If you can't see it, there it is. And then we got the thing, fries and the Big Mac. So I will house this down, and I will see you when I see you. Oh yeah, they also didn't give me a straw as well in the box. So I'm gonna have to think about eating this. Okay, I'm going to give you my actual thoughts about this cup. First of all, this thing is made from aluminium. And first of all, you have to wash it before use, as usual. And second of all, I like this cup. It's very, very lightweight, so I don't know why. And I believe if I put some heat on it, it should just warm up. So it should change green. That is a fake color, don't even ask. But these things are supposed to change like greenish type. So that's my review of this cup, to be honest. Yeah, so that's going to be it for the end of this video. I hope you did. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and I will see you in another vlog before it gets too windy.